my ass off to jail. Your mama signed the trailer to help me get back. Pick me up and drove me home. Said I learned you not to roam. Green, green grass under my feet, and all I can think about's the dirt underneath. Bulldozers and dirt, bulldozers and dirt. Behind the trailer, nothing's hurt. Red clay piles are heading on dirt. Knocking my rocks off, bulldozers and dirt. Stains off of my socks. I can't get you off of my mind. Gonna live with your mom for 11 years. Through good times and bad times, with fist fights and tears. But something comes over me when you come near. So won't you come over and sip on this beer? Bulldozers and dirt, behind the trailer, my desert. I don't mean no harm, I just like to flirt. But most of all, I like bulldozers and